Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play What is Love on keyboard. We'll start by breaking down the iconic chord progression. You'll learn the essential left-hand bass notes and how to voice the right-hand chords effectively. It's crucial to practice slowly at first, ensuring your timing and finger placement are accurate. This foundational step will build your confidence and prepare you for the more intricate parts of the song. Let's get started with the basics. Next, let's tackle the catchy melody of What is Love. We'll pinpoint the key notes for both the verse and chorus sections, ensuring you capture the song's essence. Pay close attention to finger numbering. Using a consistent approach will make your playing much smoother and more efficient. Once you're comfortable with the melody, we'll integrate it with the chord shapes you learned earlier, bringing the song to life on your keyboard. This step truly makes the song recognizable. Now, let's dive into the iconic bass line that gives What is Love its infectious groove. We'll explore the specific pattern and how it interacts with the right-hand chords. Coordinating both hands is key here, so take your time to synchronize their movements. Practicing with a metronome is highly recommended to develop a rock-solid sense of rhythm and tempo. This bass line is fundamental to the song's energy, so mastering it will significantly enhance your performance. Finally, let's bring everything together for a full performance. Focus on smooth transitions between the verse, chorus, and bridge sections. Experiment with different keyboard sounds and effects to find a tone that truly captures the song's vibe. Remember, consistent practice is your best friend for mastering this track. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial literacy, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.